Thutha wa minista wa ihinda wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr Fred Matiang'i gututhura ndugamano gatagati gake na atongoria ngwataniro ya NASA kurumirira gukanja kwa mubango wa NASA wa Dr polling station githurano-ini giukite. Riu kamiti ya ithurano mihaka IEBC ni horohetie ndeto ino. IEBC kuhitukira muikariri gito wayo Wafula Chebukati yugite mundu wothe uri ukanyitikana ceceni-ini kana hakuhi na ceceni ya guikiria kura matari etekirie ne makang'ethanirwo nao kiwatho.
The law is very clear. There will be one agent per political party or candidate at the polling station. And that is what the law says. Now, the jurisdiction of IEBC at the polling station is 400 meters. So, voters will come vote and leave the 400-meter area so as not to interfere with the operations. Now, on the issue of adopt polling station, I don't know the legal framework of that, but whatever happens outside the 400 meters, that's outside our jurisdiction.
Odoyo ukite thutha wa IEBC kunanira njung'wa na urugamiriri ahuraniri upresident umuthi kuria maiguithanirie gukorwo na agent umwe hari ceceni yothe ya guikia kura. Agiaria metekiritio gukorwo ceceni-ini cia guikia kura ni hamwe na andiki a mohoro, maabitha borithi hamwe na arori a githurano kuuma honge itiganite.
NASA is not a political party, but it is a coalition. So ODM will have an agent for that particular candidate. And I'm also aware that within that coalition there are many candidates fighting for the same seats within the same coalition in particular places. So that's why we are saying you are entitled to one agent as a political party or as a candidate.
Ndumiriri ino riu igikira gaturumo mubango wa ngwataniro ya NASA na uria koretwo ikiendekithia gukorwo na agents makiria wa 10 ceceni-ini imwe ya guikia kura, mubango uria mareta adopt polling station. Maya makihanikaga minista wa ihinda wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr Fred Matiang'i umuthi ni atunganire na maborothi mabũrũri matiganite kuria mahinyiriirie Kenya gutigirira ni atabania githurano na njira ya thayu.
A number of others of Kenya's friends are already working and supporting various aspects of the electoral process. There are some who are working with civil society organizations to support the voter education programs. There are some that are already working with the IEBC on enhancing voter education, strengthening the capacities of IEBC and so on and so forth. And it was important for them to also hear from the national government on our planning and the support that we are going to provide to the IEBC.
Na meharĩrĩria ma gĩthurano magĩthiaga na mbere kũnyita thing'a. Kanjo ya makanitha bũrũri-inĩ NCCK nĩ ĩkũmithĩtie ũteti wa kĩndũrĩrĩ ũrĩa makĩria ũkoretwo ũkĩhunjio icigo-inĩ itiganĩte cia bũrũri. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.